Pero snakes kasi parang kinakalabutan. Go. Parinig mo sa kanila.
Guys, narinig nyo yun?
Narinig nyo yun? Partner eh.
Well, it's a singer. May utot is a singer.
Buti pa utot mo singer.
Nag-whistle.
Kala ko nadala ko
Hindi
dito.
naman umabot dito. Gone with the wind na yan.
Family ba yan?
Tinapat ko siya sa plant, guys.
Ano ba? Ano bang... Yeah.
Yeah, I don't wanna touch also like...
So like if I have friends, I have some friends who take care of snakes like as their pet. I'm not ever going to their house. Like I don't think.
Don't put.
Yeah, don't
Snakes
put
in love sa house.
Like a
Jesus.
snake.
Ang pangalan, Wings.
White,
Wings
a white
club?
one.
Jesus Christ.
I can't imagine. I don't even want to imagine.
My mom would die. Tsaka, oh my god, but like it's free roaming around the house.
No naman, it's kept in a
In
safety, yeah. I don't know, like imagine.
Imagine talaga natin.
What if makawala?
Ikaw, what's ano?
Daga.
Daga.
Like,
Oh, so you're G with snakes.
yeah. I'm
True! Ay, nakakita ako ng dati. Tabi-tabi.
Oo nga, nakita ko one time. Oh my God. It makes me scared to walk na talaga. Oh, eh. Not legit. I'm scared. Tapos yung what's in the box ko kay kuya, daga pa. Kala ko talaga patay na daga yun. Talaga. Paputo ko na kamay ko nun eh.
Do the wait trend.
Wait.
Wait! They don't love you like I love you. Wait!
Isang good night po. Asan daw si KD?
Asa puso ko, guys.
Oh!
Hey, slay!
Yes.
Hindi na kayo dito.
But realistically speaking, I think he's at home.
Playing.
Sabi ni
inggit.
Keisha, I'm inggit.
What?
Hindi niyo ako sinama. We tried to
Ako,
wait
Keisha.
for you.
Ang layo kasi ng fitting.
Sabihin.
Oo, ngayon.
Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait.
Di ko dumagetin no?
Not yan.
They don't love you like I love you. Wait.
Nasaan si Jen? Kanina, she was there kanina, but no more na. Rain's back.
Fave rom-com movie.
There's this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 friends.
I only have 3.
5 lucky friends.
I
It's
think this
just
was an
Irene
accident.
and you.
And now, so you're gonna see my face every day if I update.
Lock it.
Oh, you wanna have lucky
Lock
friends?
it.
Ay! Okay, scared ako. Kala ko,
Girl.
yeah, Locket.
So parang mag-update lang kami ng mga photos.
You know Locket? I love Locket.
Is this what the kids use nowadays?
You know,
Careful.
yeah, for me, I got scared.
Wait.
Hindi ko ulit ito ba?
Wait.
Ay, fave rom-com movie mo?
50 First Dates.
Oh.
I love.
Gusto mo may kukaw
Yeah. Madami din na hindi ko lang maalala.
Ano, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days?
I'm so uncultured.
Oh my gosh, you should... Oh my
I know.
gosh.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
All the girls
I hate
in
about
a
you.
day, events, spotlight,
That's
day,
different.
events.
Pero hindi.
I was already watching it. Like, I was watching it already. And then, I think my mom wanted to watch something else. So, I stopped and I forgot to.
You should watch How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
You know, I like... Is it considered rom-com? You know, She's the Man. Amanda Bynes.
Yes.
I love that.
Igubit ka na sana.
I love that. And you know, when I close my eyes, I see you for what you truly are. Ugly.
Ito ba yung ano, di ba? Soccer player siya?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tapos yung
Love
brother
that.
niya,
Ah,
yeah.
Oo.
Tapos nagpapalit siya. Tapos
Yeah.
Invite.
Oh my God!
Ako din sa kanya.
Ay, ito din eh! Okay! Ang sakit sa heart nun. Bakit yan?
Sabay-sabay pa kami nag...
Can you like get that, guys? I wanna see that again.
itag niyo kami pag...
Sakit nun sa heart.
Oh,
Bakit nagaganon ganun sila. What are you?
Dun sa
Ano
yeah.
ako?
Mator.
Hindi ka nagulat?
Nagulat.
Nagulat ako.
Alam mo, may clip ako nakita nung parang si Quanti Melay nag-voice over sa atin. And then biglang nagluluto ako, tapos sabi niya, kain na kayo, tapos nagulat ako. Pero yung ibang housemates nagulat sa akin. Hindi kay Quanti.
Hawa-hawa lang.
Hawa-hawa lang.
Hawa-hawa
Ganyan talaga.
Always.
Wait.
Si romcom, what else?
Ano ba? Masabi niyo na eh.
Serendipity, is it a romcom?
Oh my God, how could I...
Oh my God.
Serendipity,
I love that.
my favorite. That's a hopeless romantic.
I understand.
Oh, right?
I understand.
Right? You should watch Serendipity.
Alright.
So cute.
It's
Ate!
really nice.
Bakit naisip ko sabi mo 50 Shades of Grey? Hindi yun rom-com. Sabi ko sa ate, pa yeah, 50 First Dates. 50 First Dates made me believe na may ganito talaga. Na
Ano
will...
nangyari doon?
50 First Dates made me believe in
Yung nangyari doon, di ba? So the girl has some amnesia. Like a
parang
Dory.
everyday nagre-rest.
Yeah. She only remembers one day.
before
So-
she got an
Yeah, so every day she has to live that day like it's the only day she remembers. So the guy who fell in love with her had to reintroduce himself and make her fall in love with him.
every day.
Yeah.
Ay.
So
Kasi
good.
TikTok, napanood ko siya sa TikTok. Kasi napanood daw.
In fairness,
Yun, 50 First Dates, Serendipity. Actually, yung mga romcom, yung mga ganun na films, it makes you believe so much in love. You know,
yeah. Actually, even if I watch K-drama, I'm watching Queen of Tears and I'm like,
really,
this-
may lalaki talaga na gaganinin ka.
Oh my God.
Like, would do everything
You haven't even
and
reached the
anything.
part yet.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
haven't.
God.
Yes, you're still in episode 5.
Oh my God.
Like,
in fairness, meron naman. Pero feeling ko si KD gano'n naman siya. So, okay lang.
Feeling ko ate just ganun ka na.
ganun lang, hanap mo na.
Tayo na lang muna.
So, yes, meron naman mga
May nahanap ka na eh, KD.
may
Shout
mga
out to you, KD.
ano yung rom-com
KD
guys
Lex.
in real life.
Ooh.
Hey, happy
Happy
weekend! Slay.
Slay. Kaya, ano pa bang mga rom-com?
Oh, favorite. You watch this top?
Oh, yes.
Oh
of
my gosh, my
course,
best friend's wedding. Si
of
ano yan, di ba?
course.
Julia Roberts.
Have you watched Notting Hill? I haven't watched
I haven't.
I haven't. It's so... I'm just a girl.
I know. Standing in front of a man,
asking him to love her.
This ain't Texas. I'm late.
Nalit kami.
Hindi namin na-realize agad na may
Flip.
ganun pala.
Oh!
I have the book. I like
You had the book. It's
so
the book.
cute.
I just
like,
rewatched
better.
that. Ang cute
I read
naman.
it such a long time ago. I don't even remember.
We'll do that.
But most of the time, the book is always good.
Just your reaction. Sorry. Oh, see, guys, that's why if you bash me, like, you're so okay.
Facts.
Facts.
Facts only. Invite Kai. Where even is Kai? Did she reply?
I think she's on her way pa.
Oh my god, it's already 11. I want to watch The Substance. Joke lang, hindi ako ingit. Slight lang.
Where are you?
Let's just go out. Now I want to go tomorrow because you're going.
Oh, you can just go at the after party.
I'll just go knock on your rooms. Hey
Yeah,
guys, I'm here.
Actually.
Actually.
No, I'm shy.
Yay!
I'm shy. Ay, bakit tomorrow? Ano ba yan? Let's just go out.
Joke lang po, di ako inggit.
Slight lang.
Slight lang.
Ooh, cute.
We
What time do you guys sleep at?
10 things I hate about you.
What time
yes.
do I sleep? I have insomnia.
Post now for a picture. I'll screenshot.
Pag nag-post ng screenshot, dapat may this in Texas. Ay, pera pala yun. Never mind. No, hold on.
The proposal.
Who's the proposal again?
Sandra Bullock.
Oh, yeah,
And,
yeah.
Ryan
Ryan Reynolds. Yeah.
Yes.
That was
27 dresses.
Yeah, I watched that. But I don't remember that much. So.
It's cute, cutesy.
Hindi ko naman ako, there's something about him. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Hindi ko na matanda.
Yung alin na.
Cameron Diaz.
Miss Congeniality. Of course, of course.
Miss Congeniality, of
Oh,
course.
Sandra Bullock in that banging dress.
The blue one.
Was that blue or lavender?
You know,
Lilac?
Lilac.
Guys, send Teddy Bear. What? Love Rosie. Oh my God, how could I forget? That is my favorite too. Lily Collins. Have you watched Emily in Paris, the new one?
Oh no.
Not at all.
Season.
It's cute. It's cute. It makes me want to go to Paris tomorrow, but with what money?
You can wear... You're gorgeous naman in anything that you wear. So,
Actually.
Emily in
Actually.
Paris.
ooh, teddy bear. 13 going 30.
Of course.
Ah.
Is that a rom-com? Is that considered?
Yeah,
Ah, The Fault in Our Stars. Yeah, of course.
The font is not
That's
rom-com.
drama.
However,
Si okay,
Oo nga
okay.
eh.
Ansel Charvalo Eklabu.
Yung saan? Ito yung bingo.
No.
13 going 30 is
It's Hulk.
Ay,
Mark.
Ruffalo.
Yeah. Nicholas Sparks. Oh yes, of course. We didn't mention any...
this ain't Texas!
Ang bilis na.
Iinis na si Ate Alexa.
ano yung movie ni... Rachel McAdams and...
the notebook.
yeah!
Ah.
But honestly,
oh my
I
God!
fell asleep.
Get in the water! Get in the water! I'm sorry, baby. Get in the water. Oh my God!
The transition. Dear John.
17 again? Yeah.
Oh,
This
it's
ain't Texas!
You know,
Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God!
maya ka bigla na teddy bear.
Don't say teddy bear!
Galing siyang...
Kaya nga, bilisan eh.
Nagulat ako kasi may teddy bear
May teddy bear bigla.
Hindi
Pretty
ko masyadong
woman.
kita
Yes.
na may teddy
A pretty woman.
Oh, ganda.
On the street.
All the
Oh,
bright
Pretty
places.
Woman, yeah. The
Oh my
iconic,
God,
no,
yeah.
she went in the store and
Yeah.
then she was just like,
Oh, she's so pretty.
you don't
bro.
belong. And then she
Big mistake. Big mistake.
Big mistake.
Clueless.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
But ang tagal ko, ano naman pinaka-favorite ko na I keep on rewatching?
What?
Parent Trap.
Oh, the best. That's the best.
And
The
Matilda.
best. Oh my God.
Oh, Matilda, yes.
Have you watched Ate Patch Matilda, the Broadway musical?
Ay!
They went here before. It was so good. So one of the best din. Train to Busan. Hindi po yung rom-com. Parang
Huwag niya inisin.
nagkaka...
Samok! I get scared na ba?
Parang nagkakainan sila doon in a bad way.
Rom-com. Bakit? No more.
Ano pa bang mga rom
Purple Heart.
They don't make movies like that na, no?
Cute yan.
Yeah, actually, man.
If I had so much money, I would produce
Oh, that's so cute.
those types of... those types of... 50 First Dates, yes, of course.
A Walk to
Go
Remember.
na.
God.
Oh my, that ain't rom-com,
You know
but like,
my favorite rom-com?
Miley.
Twilight. Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Twilight was so good when I was
Grabe, it was like the first book, one of the first books I finished, Twilight, the whole series. And I used to have an obsession with Kristen Stewart.
Oh.
Yeah,
The kissing
Katie
booth.
Lex.
Kissing booth.
Kissing booth.
Kissing booth.
Oh,
This ain't Texas!
Joey King.
Ay, di ba ba ito?
Joey King and
And ang gwapo nung...
the tall,
What's his name?
Jacob Elordi.
Jacob Elordi.
The man with the purse.
You watch Euphoria?
Yes, the man with the purse.
Ah,
Yes, I watched
Euphoria, yeah. The man with the purse. Why him? Why who? This ain't Texas. They don't hold. Warm bodies. Oh, that's nice then.
Ito ba yung si Vanessa Hudgens? Or iba
No,
to?
no, no. It was like they were
Good to know.
zombies that
Yes.
fell in love, I guess. So you don't watch
The
horror?
last song, not so much.
Miley Cyrus.
The last song talaga, I bawled my eyes out. Like,
The last song
grabe.
is where she sang.
Yung namatay ang dad niya, yes.
Oh my God.
Namatay ang dad niya.
Oh my God, Corpse Bride. Nobody knows Corpse Bride. Like, I know
God.
Corpse Bride. Corpse Bride is my jam. That was my Halloween costume.
Podcast kayo. I want podcast yo.
Last. Huwag tayo mag-podcast. Panay sigaw ang mangyayari
Oo nga
sa
pala.
pabibing yung
This
mga
ain't Texas.
Bro!
Pero hold. Uy, alam mo, magkano na naipon mo dito sa mga sa Texas
This ain't
nila.
Texas yun kasi.
Don't worry,
It's
guys.
so cute. Have you seen
Oh,
that?
yeah. I have.
Tuturuan ko siya mag-cash out. Isisend ko sa akin. Charot.
I haven't seen Exo Kitty, but then,
Not yet.
to all the boys, of course.
Of course.
Cute.
What else? I
Yeah,
love
dear
ho-
John.
Give that
I
to
love
Miss
horror
Ate
so
Patch.
bad.
I
love horse.
Those. Grabe kasi ako, takutin talaga ako.
Ako din, sobra. Pero, it's so fun eh. Walang thrill ang life pag hindi ka
True,
naduduwag.
yeah.
Parang,
Do you
are
like
we gonna
ano?
sleep tonight? I don't know.
Do you like rides?
I love
Roller coasters?
rides. Yes,
Yeah.
I love.
Oh my God, we should all
We
go
should
together
go.
pala. Wow!
Queen,
Ano yun?
Queen of Tears. Char.
Ay,
If you guys want rides, like crazy roller coasters, you can do that. I went to Japan. It's called Fuji Q. Bro, the
Is it crazier than Universal Studios?
Bro,
na,
malayo.
Like the fastest
Oh,
roller
really?
coaster?
This is legit. This,
Thank you
you
po.
feel like your head is still up in the sky
You're so
and your
nice
body is.
naman.
It's crazy. Crazy.
Kasi di ba yung sa Singapore na, it was already one of the fastest.
nag-work.
No,
Thank you.
This is the most intense talaga. Like
Whoa.
crazy.
Ang galing.
What I love.
Fuji Q.
Fuji Q.
It was
Oh, we should go
so
together.
intense. It's so intense. Sana nasa tabi-tabi lang yung Fuji Q
Alright.
so we can go together.
Sana din cheap lang yung ticket papunta
Kaya
dun
nga
na.
sabi ko sa tabi-tabi na. I love those rides. I love
Wendy.
rides.
ano rides?
I'm gonna make you watch.
Space
I went to Disneyland a few.
Anong City of Angels? Kaya ano?
Ay, City of the Angel. Action natin. Home Alone. I love Home Alone.
Home Alone, yes.
I watch
Of course,
Home Alone
that's
every
Always,
Christmas.
every Christmas.
Home Alone, the
And
realest.
Christmas with the Franks.
Home Alone, the realest lang ang alam ko.
Christmas with the Franks? Tama ba yung
Home Alone
title to?
talaga ako.
Christmas with the Franks?
Home Alone 1, 2. I watch it all the time.
Tama ba? Hindi ko na alam.
I totally
Princess,
forgot.
Princess Diaries.
Yes.
Oh, yes, of course.
It's Parent Trap and Princess Diaries, yung lagi kong pinapanood.
Comfort movies. Comfort
Comfort
movies.
movies.
Ako, comfort movie ko, Corpse Bride. What's your comfort?
Home Alone.
Corpse Bride.
Home Alone.
I cosplay ba?
Ang comfort niya sa akin, ano yung crime movies, Master Pin.
Ate, text mo ako, marinig mo yung ringtone ko. In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. Law and order.
That's your, ano?
Pampakal.
Yun yung ringtone ko. Yung isang phone ko, Animal Crossing. Yung isa, Law and Order.
Two different personalities.
Yes. Lizzie McGuire. Oh my God, yes.
Oh yeah, Lizzie
McGuire.
Favorite ko.
Mamma Mia.
Mamma
Okay
Mia.
lang.
I love the scenery, I love everything.
Oh yeah,
The
of course. It makes you
songs.
want to go to wherever
Yeah.
they are. But after watching Wicked,
Enrique Hill!
it has stopped.
You met Enrique
Yeah.
Hill?
Yeah.
Crazy, Kuya Eric.
Kasi he was geekan ko ano nun.
Enrique Hill is... Oh yes, from Cebu.
Yeah.
Hindi kami nag Anyway.
Alright. Sorry.
Big Bang
Sino yung
Theory.
naka-red sa gilid?
Mm,
Hulaan
Someone
mo.
go.
Hulaan nyo, bawal ang tamang sagot.
Guni-guni mo lang to.
Ah, may naka-red ba?
Huh?
wala
Parang
ata.
wala.
Sabi niya mga baliw.
This summer I turned pretty.
No, I have not watched.
I watched
summer I
it.
turned
I watched
pretty.
it. Yung
Was it a
ano,
book?
Team
Yeah, it's a book. I read
Jeremiah
the
or
book.
Team Conrad, ganon.
I don't know that.
I'm Team Conrad. Ikaw ni Ate Josie, yes. Ikaw ko po.
Bigay mo na nga yung hikaw mo dito. Hingi ng mga hikaw to.
Oo, kasi isa na lang daw. Nasa isa kong bag, guys. Nasa kotse.
Attend daw ba tayo ulit ng Beaver sa February? Oh,
I will
susunduin
try.
ko na kayo.
Alright.
Let's
Ako
go,
na
let's
yung
go.
school bus. Wala pa tayong ticket. Bibili pa muna tayo. Kailan ba ang ticket selling?
Ayun, wala ako.
I'm going. No.
Let's go.
Yeah, we have our lights
I'm gonna,
fixed.
ready to lose my voice
I will
again.
get light stick.
Lights.
I can't wait for their new merch.
I actually lost my voice as I got scared for Bataan.
Killing me softly ka pa.
Tapos di ko pa marinig yung boses ko. Sige na lang, laro!
Hey,
Listen,
hey,
Texas.
Aray.
Ano po?
Have you watched Hello Love Again? I have.
Yeah!
I have.
Yeah. No.
Cat is so good. Alden.
I haven't watched yet.
Bali!
Yes, I watched. Ano ka?
Wala ko'y wala ko'y cup.
Ako!
Ate Alexa.
Wow, meron si Ate Colette!
Kumain ka na?
Ano yan?
Sino ba ibang R?
Kumain ka
Sushi,
na?
kain ka.
Oo naman.
Go.
You ate na?
Lalamin yan. Halang ng orange. Perlame.
Hindi naman mo.
Hindi siya mag-
You ate na dinner, ate?
For them.
Wala pa?
Oo.
Kakatapos mo lang?
And then, umalis ka na nang galing ka na sa billboard. Hala,
Mabibillboard ka.
anong time na? Late ka na.
Ay, andun.
May billboard pa?
11 na eh.
Kasi 10 lang yung billboard.
Gusto ko yung alam na natin yung schedule.
Alam na namin ang schedule ng lahat.
Yung High School Musical. Of course, High School Musical.
Of course.
Who's your bias in High School Musical? Are you Team Gabriela or Sharpay?
Oh, growing up, I was Team Gabriela.
Bye.
Gabriela. Bye-bye, I love you.
Bye!
Ingat, enjoy.
Legit stop by.
But now,
Buti
that
may
I'm
caption.
older, I'm like,
Itong gamit mo.
I get it. Sharpay. Sharpay all the way. Have you watched Camp Rock? It's like
Of course.
we're going time traveling to the past.
of course, Camp Rock.
Camp Rock.
Oh, I wanna do that.
Saan daw si Colette? Ayun, kakaalis lang.
Babay na.
Dumating na si Colette. Keep my...
Kala kung ano yung papalit.
The
that?
showdown. Oh, showdown daw kayo, guys.
Go to Jazz. Dear future.
Sa'yo na lang, guys.
Coraline. Oh my God, I love
yeah.
Coraline. I love
But I got scared first time I watched Coraline. I was really
because of the
scared.
mother.
Because of the mother. You know the traumatic scene for me is the button.
The eye button.
The eye button. It's so traumatic.
Yeah, I get it.
As a kid, no way.
I love
Ano to?
Coraline. Coraline.
Coraline.
Is that Alexa?
Di ba yung
Depends on who's
eye button
asking.
at the patch?
Wicked. I love Wicked. Monte Carlo sila. Oh, I haven't watched
Monte
that.
Carlo. You should. It's so
I know.
nice. The guy there
Cinderella
is so
story
pogi.
yung na-watch.
The guy there is so pogi.
Beetlejuice, of course.
Notting Hill, yes.
You just said it kanina.
I love Notting Hill. What's Two Hearts? Ito ba yung ano? Binigay niya yung heart. Namatay siya, tapos yung heart niya nasa isang tao. No, tapos nagka-inlovean sila.
Paano nipatay na siya?
No, like, namatay siya, pero may isang, like, transplant yung heart to
Okay.
another person. And then nag-meet sila nung girlfriend or fiancé. And then parang naging something. I don't know if tama ba ako.
Heart wants what it wants. Okay, let's stop talking about movies.
Movies.
Let's talk about music.
Okay.
Who's your
Music.
favorite artist? International.
I would, oh, wow.
What are you into ba? Like, genre?
A lot eh.
I
Very
usually
genre
listen
neutral
to
naman.
anything. I think, I
At the
can,
moment. At the moment.
at the moment, BTS pa rin.
BTS.
Housemate.
Bias naman Ate Patch.
Ano sabi niya?
Kayo daw, Gen 11 housemate.
Sila.
How about you, Rain? Who's your favorite at the moment international artist?
International. Daniel.
Caesar?
Caesar.
Ariana. Like that.
Taylor Swift.
Of course.
Hail Caesar.
Bruno Mars pa rin.
Bruno
Oh my
Mars.
God,
Timeless
Bruno
talaga.
Have you watched this concert?
You have?
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Here.
Yes.
I'm a concert goer.
Actually.
Concert goer talaga. Like,
So like if I'm a beach goer, mountain, ikaw concert.
Ay, gusto ko din to eh.
too bad it's so
Wala
far,
akong pera
Philippine
eh.
Arena.
Oh my God.
Ako doon naubos yung money ko. Concert.
Frank Ocean.
Oh, Frank
Oh,
Ocean.
yeah.
Love. Grabe. I love songs.
I love
Oh,
songs.
and-
It's so
ano yung
hard. I love
concert?
music.
Locked Out of Heaven.
Ko naman
Kita ko yung
alam.
mga clips eh.
Check ko yung...
Yeah.
Cannot just stay here.
Yeah. Spend the
Ayan o,
rest
Bruno
of
Mars. This is the
Oh,
highlight.
yes. Oh.
1975.
What? You with Blackpink?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, I was so near to them. Honestly.
Oh, loco.
Yeah.
loka!
Then I was
No
so near.
way!
Then when they went back, I saw them again. Saw them 2 times na. That was the
No
first.
way.
And then this was
Crazy.
the second. I was so close. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
See, so
Good job.
close.
Oh my God, you saw them. Crazy God.
Isa na lang hikaw mo.
Coldplay also.
Yes. On,
Damn, I want
Nasa
to
Taylor
watch
Swift also.
Coldplay talaga.
Yung mga
Oo,
nila-
nag-Dua Lipa ka.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I love. Dua talaga yung sobrang
Yeah, I
favorite.
know. I can tell in their stories like, oh, she's a fan.
Hindi, nag-Dua Lipa ka the one she was... Di ba she was here like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks ago. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
8 roses.
Fan ka mo ng BTS? Yes. Oh, yeah.
Rain, kailan clothing line mo? Wala pa pang hotel.
Best concert experience.
Ikaw, best concert. I've only been to Beanie Verse.
Oh, me too.
Oh, I went to Sarah Geronimo's concert before.
Slay.
And Vice Ganda.
Slay!
Vice Ganda went to Dumaguete before.
Panis. Boom, boom, panis.
What's your concert? As a maraming
Yeah.
collection.
Taylor Swift and Coldplay. Tie for.
Wow, Coldplay talaga. I really want.
Iba yung,
Look
I
at
don't know,
the
like,
stars.
grabe yun, nag-cry ako. First time ko mag-cry sa concert when I saw Coldplay.
I cried in Beanie.
Slay! Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
That song hits different now because of PBB.
Yeah, I knew, right? Lahi na. Iba yun. Katabi pa natin yung host. Dito muna.
Michael Jackson. Oh, you watched Michael Jackson? Oh my
Hello?
Oh
God.
my gosh, I love Michael Jackson. I remember I was grade 4
Sobrang
when Michael
swerte.
Jackson died. Crazy time.
I was so obsessed with Michael Jackson.
How old are
That
you
time
po?
na nag-
Man in the Mirror is my favorite song.
Ako, do you remember
Eh.
when we fell in love?
Yes, Ariana Grande.
Buzz tour ni Nicki. I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Sinong crush mo daw, Rain? Ako.
True.
Para walang away, guys.
Oh.
It's me. I'm the one you want. It's me. So if you care to find me, look to the western sky.
You three should go Coachella.
Coachella.
Are you
I
ready
would
to?
want to go to
I know.
Coachella. That has been a dream.
Dream.
Of mine.
With what money?
It's gonna happen, please.
Yeah,
With what
2026.
It's gonna happen.
With what money?
Yeah,
It's gonna happen.
it's gonna happen.
No, I'm super regretting lang kasi I always say, okay, I'm gonna go to Coachella if I really love the
Artist.
Artist.
Syempre, it's so expensive, no? Flight, where to stay, the outfit.
Everything in Coachella is very
Yeah, I
expensive.
know.
My older brother went last year.
He always Doja Cat?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, damn.
My older brother and yung fiancé niya, they always go to like Coachellas. And then like they always tell me that it's so expensive. But they love going to music festivals.
Well, I don't know, whatever makes you happy, di ba?
Yeah.
If you got
Good
the
naman
money, go.
Sana
I
mo
would.
weekend. Yes, tapos na kami nanonood ng weekend,
Yeah.
guys. We both
Popular.
watched. And then Alexa also watched. But she's gonna watch again.
Popular. Musical festival. I know. Yun ang gusto ko ma-experience, festival. Not,
Yeah.
not just a concert. Ang favorite artist ko din super si Doja Cat.
And your cat's name is Jojo.
Yeah, but too bad she's a mean kitty.
What about you, Alexa, girl crush?
What about me? My crush?
Yeah, who's your girl crush?
Sobrang dami.
True.
Sa local? Sa local
be.
right now, it's Bini Mika. Like, just straight up gay for Bini Mika. Yes.
Pag kaya.
Sino ba international? Wala akong maisip. Pero
Who's
may,
your bias in Blackpink?
you know, wala akong bias sa Blackpink. Parang, I like them all.
True,
like
true, true.
together.
Yeah. They're just parang
Yeah,
Beanie and
parang-
Blackpink.
parang
Hirap.
together, they have to be together forever.
Yeah.
So if you care to find me.
BTS, do you watch BTS? Do you like BTS?
Don't know them. I know.
It's fine, it's fine.
I'm uncultured.
I'm
I know
uncultured.
BTS, but like I don't
Yeah, I
know.
know.
You know them.
Individually,
Their names.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. You don't know which
But
is-
my cousins, titas, obsessed with BTS.
Tita.
Jungkook.
Yes.
I love Jungkook.
Yeah, I always hear that name, Jungkook.
Damn.
Taehoon. Ruby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout
Basta
out
color
taga
violet,
Consolation.
ganon.
Cookie.
Pero favorite ko, ang first favorite ko Korean group is 21.
Oh.
Ay, hindi. Girls' Generation and then 21.
Saan ba dyan si ano? Sandra.
21.
Sandara Park.
21. 21.
Are you a fan of One Direction?
Yes, I was a diehard.
Ako naman, I was a super believer.
Oh.
So when I was
yes.
a kid,
I thought I would marry Justin Bieber.
For you.
honestly,
I wouldn't
I
do
thought I
it
could too.
ever.
I thought I had a chance. Like I believed that all he needed to do was to see me. and we're getting married. Like, I just know if he saw me, one less lonely girl for real.
One less lonely
Plus,
girl.
diba? Eh, di ba yung,
One
I don't know
less
if
lonely
it's
girl.
David, pero di ba Jasmine
One
yung
less lonely girl.
name nung,
Jasmine Villegas.
yes, yung leading lady. She's half Filipino, right?
Ingit na ingit ako sa babae.
Ako din, sabi ko, Jasmine, there's a chance kami
There's
talaga
a
dalawa.
Jas. He likes Jasmine girls.
Yes, Jasmine girls. Now he's married to Hailey Bieber.
I know. Not to me. What the hell?
But it's crazy. But I would marry just the young Justin Bieber.
You.
I love him so much.
love
Kahit
Justin
kailan.
Sino pa yung mga, oh, I love, Jonas
So,
Brothers.
oh my God, when you look me. Dati pag mapasok ko sa school, tas umuulan, makikinig ako ng when you look me. Tas feeling ko talaga, may dinededicate akong dun sa song na yun.
Grabe.
Tell me
I
that
love
you
Jonas
love
Brothers.
me.
Naalala ko pag grade 2 ako, yung best friend ko na guy, nagprint pa talaga siya ng lyrics ng,
Oh my God, nagpe-print pa tayo ng lyrics.
Nagprint pa
Oh!
tayo ng lyrics ng,
Naabutan ko
naabutan
yun.
niyo na ba yun, guys? I don't know sa
Naabutan
mga
ko yun.
nag-watch na
Dati,
yun.
kasi-
May isa pa akong folder ko ng dami.
Di ba yung mga
Oo,
lyrics?
pinapasok mo yung lyrics.
Dati, nakatira kasi kami sa condo, second floor kami. Tapos sa baba may basketball court. Tapos pag may crush ako sa basketball court, kakanta ako through the window ng Lady Gaga. Okay na Katy Perry.
Ayun!
Sila yung mga favorite ko nun eh.
Wow.
Tapos feeling ko lang na...
Shoutout sa mga
siniserenade.
kinantahan ni Ate Alexa before.
Oo.
Hindi ko na sila kilala.
Nako.
I don't know their names anymore.
Or at least, masasabi nila na, nakantahan ako ng
I
isang
don't
Alexa
think
Hirahan.
nakita nilang ako yun. Basta naiirita na lang sila. Sino mo tong maingay? May kumakanta ng Bad Romance sa second floor.
Bad romance!
Westlife. Sorry, I'm a Westlife
Ah.
fan.
What's life?
Uptown girl.
Down world.
FM Static, oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Tonight
Little
I'm
Mix.
Little Mix. Why can you hold me? I wish that it could be like that.
I don't know.
Hold me
Okay.
close.
What can I... Oh.
Zab, matulog na daw tayo.
Owl City, oh my God. You might not believe your eyes. It's 10 million fireflies.
Maroon 5.
Oh my God, of course.
Yeah.
Sunday morning, rain is pouring.
Rain. Make it with you by bread. Of course, bread.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Saan daw ako matutulog? Ay, hindi ako matutulog po.
Ay, di
Hanggang
ba kami
bukas
matutulog?
tayo dito naka-live.
Opo.
Ano ba?
Di
Wala
ba kayo
akong matutulog
na-inform?
sa pamilyang to.
Kailangan pa natin ng 10 Design Texas. Kundi di tayo matatapos. Joke lang. Do you watch Glee? Oh my God. You
Oh,
watch
si Glee.
I watched a
Glee.
few, yeah.
That's where I discovered Defying Gravity.
Ah, we. Where?
Ed Sheeran, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
OG,
Speaking of
classic.
And darling, I will be loving you. Bisaya with Alexa. I will not understand anything.
Oh, we should do a vlog, a
I will
Bisaya
not-
challenge.
I will not understand anything.
We'll teach you.
I just know guapa.
Hey.
That's all. But nothing else.
I'm thinking about
Lane, yun naman.
yes, you went.
Do you know Secondhand Serenade? Of course. Best thing about tonight's that we're not fighting.
Fall in love.
Avril Lavigne, oh my God,
Oh, yeah.
Have you guys played blind karaoke?
What's that? Ah,
I
yeah.
love doing that. So I play a karaoke song.
Okay.
And you have to guess. it.
Okay, do you
Without,
wanna do it
without
now?
seeing the lyrics. Yes, okay, let's try.
Okay,
This is
so
your
Ate
phone,
Alexa.
right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this one will be for Jazz.
Okay.
This one is cool.
Oh no, please choose an easy one.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Come with the club to play Snoop.
This is really easy. I think you can do it.
Yes, Midnasty. Midnasty, they're from Dumaguete. Yes. They're friends of I met them also in Dumaguete.
This is for Jazz.
Is that King? Sing King?
Sinking.
Oh!